How to show your Wi-Fi password on your Mac. So you want to open your Finder and here type keychain access. So open this app, which should be by default installed on your Mac, and we want to click on open keychain access and use your password. Here we want to click this section, which is passwords, and scroll down and find the name of your Wi-Fi which you are connected to or which you want to show the password. So scroll down, I'm gonna find mine. You have to double click it. This window will appear. This is my Wi-Fi and here is the show password, and you have to mark this option and enter your admin's name and password. So click on OK. Now again enter your admin's name and password and click on allow, and it will show you the password of your Wi-Fi which you selected. This is my Wi-Fi password, and that's how you can show your password on MacBook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.